ready with us, and she'll see you guys whenever she has her clothes on. 3, 2, 1. So there her fit is. She didn't fix her hair yet. So we'll meet you guys in whenever she fixes her hair. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we're gonna do our lips care. So we already did lip scrub, but look at her hair, it's so cute. And yeah, I'm just gonna put on some lip oil. Okay, we're gonna go. Wait. Okay. I look ugly. No, just rip it. Then just place it. Okay, guys, we'll meet you in the kitchen. Bye. Okay, we got our cereal. And then I might redo my videos. Well, see you guys. Bye. No one's here. Okay, we're done eating cereal. Now Scotty's gonna do my nails. So see you after she's done. Okay, hi guys. We just did her nails. Look at I did her nails. They're pretty cool. Yeah. She just put a filter on. And yeah. We're gonna make another video. So bye.